we have the male buck, grazing on the morning dew. He idly scratches his chin, wondering where he should graze next. Just on the side of the road, returning to Jasper, we have the male grizzly. You can tell by the hump just above his neck. He wanders and eats up to 16 hours a day. Here we have Spirit Island, one of the most photographed landmarks in the Canadian Rockies. It's little known, it's actually a peninsula. What a scam. Here we have the freshwater salmon. Luckily the water's rather clear, so you can see them rather easily. Leisurely swimming against the current, waiting for any small insects or other animals to drift into their grasp. The mother goat walking her calflings across the road. Perhaps it's not as safe as she previously thought. They will return to this side of the road, and she may scout ahead to see if the area is clear.
So cute.
We have the mother black bear grudgingly escorting her cub up the mountain. This may be one of the first traverses he has ever made. Hopefully not his last. Here we have the native elk, which dwells in these areas. It's important to be very slow and non-aggressive when approaching these magnificent creatures. There he is now, so noble, so graceful, as he crosses the trail. And to communicate with these native birds. We have some annoying American tourists interrupting the video.